Hey creatives! Today, let's learn how to replace a sky in Photoshop using the Sky Replacement tool. It's super easy and perfect for giving your photos a fresh new look. Let's get started. First step, open your image in Photoshop. Go to Edit, then select Sky Replacement. This tool is fantastic because it simplifies the entire sky replacement process. Most of the adjustments you'd need are already built into one easy-to-use panel. You can choose a sky image to replace or upload your own. We have here Refine Edge options. Shift Edge moves the edge of the sky inward or outward. Fade Edge softens the transition for a more natural blend. You can also adjust the brightness to match the mood of your photo. Let's lower it a little to make it look more natural. Set the temperature to create a cool or warm tone. For this image, a warm tone works best. You can also scale the sky up or down, or even flip it. Fine-tune the settings until everything looks just right. In the Output section, you have two options. New Layers creates a set of layers for all the adjustments, giving you flexibility for future edits. Duplicate Layer creates a single flattened layer. And that's it. With just a few clicks, your photo has a brand new sky. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick Photoshop tips. Have an amazing day ahead.